Hi, welcome to MS Excel tutorial. In this part, we will be discussing about different basic features of MS Excel along with parts of MS Excel window. In MS Excel, the file of Excel is called workbook, and each workbook or each Excel file will have number of worksheets, or we also call them as spreadsheets. The number of workbooks and number of worksheets will be unlimited depending on memory of computer. As long as your memory is supporting, you can add more number of Excel files. You can add number of worksheets in each Excel file or Excel workbook. The total number of rows are 10,48,576 and the number of columns are 16,384. The column width is 255. The number that we can give for column width is 255 in maximum, and each cell is capable of storing 32,767 characters. The value that we can give maximum for row height is 409, and as we discussed already, number of workbooks and number of worksheets can be extended as long as your memory is supported. Now coming to parts of MS Excel window, on the top of Excel sheet we have Quick Access Toolbar. This Quick Access Toolbar, this is called Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is useful for placing options which are used regularly. Instead of searching for those options in different tabs of MS Excel, the options which are used regularly will be placed in Quick Access Toolbar. You take example of insert function. I have to simply click on add and I have to click on OK. From the next time, instead of searching for it in formula bar and clicking on that option, if I am in home tab, suppose if I select home tab, I can directly use insert function option. Most commonly used or regularly used options of MS Excel will be generally placed in this Quick Access Toolbar. So the file name will be visible on the top. We call this as title bar. We can search for different options by using Microsoft Search. On the top, we have name of the user, right? Again, here we have different options. What is this option exactly? This is ribbon display option. Okay, whether auto hiding of ribbon, it is already in auto hide, right? Even the tab bar also will be hidden. Show tabs, only tabs will be displayed, and show tabs and commands. We use shortcuts like Control F1 for hiding the ribbon, Control Shift F1 for hiding the tabs. Again, Control Shift F1 will display the tab. Control F1 will display the ribbon. These are the different shortcuts we have for ribbon display options. After that, we have minimize, maximize and close buttons. Minimize for placing the window at taskbar. This is called, the down one is called taskbar. Okay. Restore next available size and maximize state and close button. We can also give comments and we can share this file by using mail and different other MS Office options. So coming to other important parts, we completed our discussion about Quick Access Toolbar, right? Quick Access Toolbar. We also completed our discussion about the title bar. Our name of the document will be displayed at title bar. The username and ribbon display options, and we discussed about the shortcuts like Control F1, Control Shift F1. Minimize, maximize, close. These are called control buttons. Coming to the next option in parts of Excel window, the top here we have file, home, insert, page layout. All these are called tabs of Excel. All these are called tabs of Excel. The options of each tab will be displayed in a bar here. These are displayed here. This is called ribbon. Each tab will have ribbon displaying options associated with it. So these are called tabs, and options of each tab are displayed in a ribbon. Okay. After that, we have name box here. What is name box? Based on the cell that I'll select, the selected cell address will be displayed in name box. The selected cell address will be displayed in name box. Okay. After that, we have formula bar. Here we can see formula bar. What is this? Formula bar. We have insert function option here. We have enter and cancel options here. Okay. This is about name box, insert function and formula bar. On the top of Excel worksheet, here we have A, B, C and all. These are called columns. 16,384 columns are supported in Microsoft Excel 2016, and these 1, 2, 3 are called rows. The rows are represented with numbers and columns are represented with alphabets. Okay. When we select this, the total worksheet will get selected. This option allows us to select the total worksheet. What we can see at the bottom, this is called leaf bar. This is called leaf bar. These are called rows, we discussed already, and these are called columns. Okay, column bar and row bar. And row bar will contain names or labels of all the rows. Column bar will contain names or labels of all the columns. Next, we have cell. What is cell? This is cell. Okay. Each combination of row and column is called cell. Suppose now I am at A8. The address of the cell is identified with combination of alphabet and row number. So now as I am selecting this, it is in B and 9th row. The address of this is B9. Okay. These addresses will play an important role in writing formulas. On the downside, you can see ready, accessibility and all. All these are displaying the status, that is called status bar. And here we have view buttons. Normal. Now I am in normal view. Okay, normal views. The second one is page layout view. When I click on page layout view, the total content will be divided into number of pages. Okay. And the third one is page break view. So instead of dividing the pages separately and showing them separately in pages, each page will be separated by a demarcation line by using this third view option, that is page break view. Here we have zooming option, which allows us, instead of increasing the size actually on Excel sheet, just for viewing purpose, we can increase the size or decrease the size by using this zoom option. And here we have vertical scroll bar, and on the downside we have horizontal scroll bar. Horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar are useful for movement in Excel sheet from top to bottom and left to right or right to left. Horizontal and vertical scroll bars are useful for movement in different direction. This is about parts of MS Excel window. Thank you.